from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Friday the 9th of September. US equity futures have been trading positively overnight following the speech by President Obama, in which he unveiled around $450 billion worth of measures to help stimulate and create jobs in the US economy. Analysts did note that around half of the 450 had been created by tax cuts, which was likely to increase the support by Republicans in Congress. This was allied by the Chinese CPI reading overnight, coming in lower than the previous, but in line with expectations, highlighting the soft landing that the Chinese economy is going through. Moving then through the European session, we have seen risk aversion dominate, a lot of focus coming back onto Greece. Today is the deadline for private sector involvement in the Greek debt swap. Greece is targeting around 90%, otherwise it has threatened to therefore pull out of the bond swap agreement. Current analysts estimate have it at around 70 to 75%. A lot of focus has been on this in the European session as the deadline has been looming, and we have seen some increased comments from the Greek sources coming onto the newswires saying that they are currently happy with the private sector participation level. However, the markets have not been convinced, and we have seen some risk aversion therefore creeping into the equity markets, particularly in the financial sector, which has been the weakest performing in the European session. Particular focus on the French banks, StockGen trading below the €18 a share mark, currently down around 8% on the session. In terms of the currency markets, a lot of focus has been on the article in the Wall Street Journal this morning, in which hedge fund managers are rumoured to be considering making a play on the 120 ceiling that the Swiss National Bank has been setting for the Euro-Swiss pair, and we had therefore seen some movement in the Swissy, none too exaggerated at the moment, but a lot of focus on this article with hedge fund managers rumoured to be considering making a play on that level. Looking forward then for the rest of the session, it's rather quiet in terms of data out of the US. A lot of focus will be on the US wholesale sales and some comments possibly from Fed's Williams. But apart from that, have yourselves a good rest of your trading day and a great weekend.